So this is how an anchor works. Okay, this is what happens to it every time we anchor the Navicula. It sets, and we want to see it drag into that ground and grab on, and hopefully the footage will show you what it does, and we'll all be impressed. Guys, I've set up a GoPro here to the anchor, and when I drop the anchor, it's going to show me, record me, how it hooks into the ground and what happens. Now, I've got a couple of safety features on there, like a fishing line attached to it in case it breaks off, a floaty device, and we'll see what happens. But there's a risk factor to everything, so hopefully everything will work out, and I'll get some footage on how this anchor sets, which will be pretty. Okay, she's recording. Okay, it's recording. We'll be anchoring soon. That's, holy Christ, it's gonna be funny as hell. How deep are we? Holy Christ. Keep going. Okay, well, I better get back to see what Sandy's doing, or she'll be yelling at me shortly. And I don't want her to run aground, because if she runs aground, it'll be my fault, of course, as usual. Okay, here we go. 2,000 RPM. We're set. And now we will. Are you going to dive down on that anchor? No. Let's shut her down. What do you mean no? No, John. The water is 26.5 degrees Celsius. Let's shut it down. Let's shut it down.
16 or 24 feet down is where the anchor is.
Let's go.
Either or, wherever.
Yeah, we'll find it. I'll get down there. I'll put flippers on. I'm going down. I'm going deep, so I got to get the big boys out. Listen, this is about 24 feet deep here, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to unscrew it from the